Hello, Islanders and global viewers. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for your support. New viewers, welcome, and subscribers, welcome back. Today we're making a special recipe for you, which will be a combination of fruits and vegetables. The fruits are already washed, but we just want to give you a little preview into how we'll be preparing the vegetable, which is the kale. Have a look. Okay, guys, kale is a particularly tight leafy vegetable, and so we want to ensure that you're washing it leaf by leaf and not just in one container. You're going to just open the leaves as you're washing it, open them properly, and try to wash it carefully. Transfer them to another container. You can in this case I'm just adding a little bit of salt to the water so that in case any little insect in it, they will just be destroyed in the mix. Yes, so I'm gonna shake it, give it a good little shake in it. Also, like I said, you're going to remove them from this container that you're washing them in. But the trick is to open the leaves properly when you're washing it. Open the leaves, get them washed properly, because the leaves are tight. So I'm gonna wash them one by one. I won't take you through that entire journey. I'm just making sure you've seen that. Transfer them to another dish and then rinse them off again. Okay guys, here we are. Today we are preparing for you a kale and cucumber smoothie. That's right, you heard correctly. This drink is rich in antioxidants and a number of other nutrients, vitamin C, vitamin K, and of course, you know, this is the time of the year when we're coming back from December, when we ate all we didn't want to eat. We broke the diets and everything, so we just want to go on a little kind of cleansing, if you will. Strengthen your immune system and just get yourself back on track, feeling all cleansed. All right, so we've washed these fruits for you already. Here we have, this is actually just another citrus fruit. It's not quite a lemon, but you can use either lemon or lime, or in this case it's just another citrus fruit. Sometimes they call it an ugly fruit, right? So we are using this one. A little inch of ginger, 1 green apple for sweetening, just to add a little flavor to it. You may add honey if you like as well, and 1 medium to large size cucumber. And I'd say when we finish stripping this would be about 2 cups of kale. All right, so we're gonna get down to business now. We're gonna remove the stems, the hard stem from the kale, because the kale comes with a hard stem and you don't want to be blending that. So we're gonna be removing these parts, cutting up the cucumber and put them in. Okay, all right. Can you hear the birds chirping? Here we go now. So as I said to you, we're removing this. You can just pull it down like this to remove them. That's the hard stem that you have in it, I just told you, because that will be very stringy in your smoothie, and you don't want that. As a matter of fact, I should tell you that if you wish, you can strain it, but we are not going to be straining it here today. But you can strain it when you finish if you don't quite like the texture, right? It's an easy way to just remove your hard stem. There it is. Great. So your smoothie is actually your own. When you're making a smoothie, you make it your own. Because I've told you before when we made that spinach smoothie, right? Okay, good. And you saw we washed these thoroughly. Kale is a particularly leafy vegetable, really tight. So you want to ensure that you wash them properly, leaf by leaf, and remove. I actually added a little salt to the water, as you might have heard earlier. And then that's it. So here we are now. Moving on to our cucumber now. Just gonna slice this up a little bit and just cut them in some little cubes. Depending on the size and the power of the blender that you're using, you can cut them a little smaller or a little larger, okay? And if you have a juicer, you can use your juicer as well. Let's put these aside a little. Cutting up our apple now, and we're just using We could perhaps use half of this apple. With the skin and everything. That's it. With the seed here. Maybe we want to get rid of that seed. Alright. So you may use half or one of the apple depending on how sweet you'd like to have it. Because you know the apple really gives a little flavor. I did say we're going to use half, but no, I think I'm going to use the entire apple. So here we're using 1 apple for this kale cucumber smoothie. I'm telling you, it's a really healthy drink, rich in antioxidants and various nutrients that you really need. And like I said, coming off the holidays, sometimes you feel as if you cheated on your diet, you just want to cleanse, right? So we have the formula for you today. I'm going to use a half of this citrus fruit because it's quite large. So I'm going to just cut half of it. Oh, that's it. All right. The ginger that we have here, I'm just using just about an inch of ginger because remember you're not making ginger ale. You don't want the ginger to be overly pronounced, right? Okay, here we go now. We're putting in our cucumber. All right, here we go. In with our cucumber. Yes, adding just very quickly. After the cucumber, in comes the apple. We're getting the bulkier ones in at the bottom. An apple. A little seed here. Let's remove that. Then we start adding our kale now. Just as it is. All right, now we're gonna pour in some water. You could actually use coconut water as well for the liquid. We're just pouring in some water, just about half the full height of the blender. Here we are adding the ginger now. So you just need no more than about an inch of ginger. Yes, there we go. Good. The citrus. Just squeeze it in. All right. Cover and blend. You want to blend this on the highest speed. Can you believe it, guys? The sun has already set and the nightfall is approaching. All right, we're ready to pour. Awesome. There you have it, guys, your kale cucumber smoothie. If you like this video, remember to give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. Until next time, ciao!